Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video we are going to be doing a hair growth gel, okay, and the ingredients we'll be using is flaxseed. Flaxseed helps your hair to grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to your hair follicles. Flaxseed helps for hair loss, okay, it helps to stop hair loss, okay, it helps to grow out your hair faster and longer. As I said earlier on, flaxseed is also a good treatment for your hair. It's also good for hair marks. All right, flaxseed has an amazing nutrient that helps to promote your hair growth. So the next ingredient we're using is aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthens your hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that helps to strengthen your hair. It controls grease hair. Aloe vera has an enzyme that breaks into fats and so strips your hair from any excess oil, okay. Aloe vera helps on itchy scalps. Aloe vera protects hair from UV damage. Aloe vera helps to grow out your hair, gives you healthy, fuller and amazing hair. Aloe vera has vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, and all these three vitamins combined together helps to promote healthy, longer, fuller hair. So guys, I am going to remove the sides of the aloe vera so that I can be able to bring out the juice of the aloe vera. So right here I am going to open it, then squeeze or scoop out all your whitish gel, because those are the gels I need for this recipe. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comments and sharing the video as well. Have you used this combination together, flaxseed and aloe vera? Have you used it? Let me know in the comment section. So here is my water, okay. I am going to add my flaxseed gel inside just to boil it so that I can bring out my flaxseed gel. Yeah, I added my flaxseed to bring out the flaxseed gel, because when you boil flaxseed, that's when you get flaxseed gel. But when you leave flaxseed being dry, it's just flaxseed. So if this is few minutes later, like 10 to 15 minutes later, and I have noticed that my water is becoming a little bit thicker, a little bit drying. That is when you know your flaxseed is ready. And when you are boiling flaxseed, always check it, okay, because sometimes the flaxseed tend to stick to the ending part of the pot, okay. So this is ready. I am going to strain it out and I'll show you guys what the gel looks like, okay besties. So this is what I'm going to use. This gel is really amazing. It softens your hair, it prevents your hair from getting dry, okay. This is going to give you 100% hydration, okay. If your hair is dry, try using these two combinations together. And I'm also going to be adding some oils as well, so please watch the video to the end to find out. So besties, this is what we have. I like the consistency because when this gets cold, okay, it's going to get very thick and sticky, okay. So I am going to add my aloe vera gel. It was not much, but I love it this way because I didn't want to do much. But if you have much aloe vera, you can use as much as you have, okay. So this is what I have, and my aloe vera that I am growing is still growing, so I don't want to really cut as much, okay, if you understand. So I'm gonna mix everything together, and after mixing everything together, I will add the oil I need for today's recipe, which is black castor oil, okay. I'll tell you guys the benefit of black castor oil. So here are the benefits of black castor oil. Black castor oil has omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid in Jamaica black castor oil, can both do wonders for your hair, okay, and it is also good for easily break hair. This acid and nourishment, okay, that helps the scalp and strengthens your hair roots, as well as improve blood circulation and blood flow to your scalp. Within which in turns, okay, enrich new hair growth and helps to treat thinner hair. All right, besties, so I'm going to transfer this into my jar. This is for storage use. I'm going to store this in my fridge. For storage, store in your fridge. Use up to 5 days. After 5 days, kindly dispatch because of the aloe vera. Okay, so after I have put it in my jar, I will show you guys how I'm going to apply this on my hair. If you have watched this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit up the subscribe button, like, share and comment. So this is my hair. I did a twist out and it's a bit dry, so I need to hydrate the hair. So that's the treatment we just did, and this hairspray is going to be in the channel. Please do well to check it out as well. So I'm going to use this as my water base to wet my hair before I apply this gel on my hair, because when your hair is wet and you apply gel, it easily enters your hair than when you apply the gel directly when it's dry. I hope that makes sense. So after I apply this treatment on my hair as my water base, I will apply the gel as well. So I'm just going to massage my hair. Always massage your hair, guys. It helps in blood circulation. So this is me applying the gel. It does not smell bad, like it smells very, very nice. Okay, I'm going to apply this on the strands of my hair as I twisted my hair, and it does not leave any white cast. Just in case you want to know, it will not leave any white cast. It will dry and your hair will still look the same color as your hair. Okay, you can do this every day. I'm going to show you guys a routine of me using this every day on my hair to tell you that my hair does not have any white cast. Even if when I refresh it the next day, it's still going to be the same thing. So if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate, guys. So if you don't know my name is Naturally Jessie. I am a natural hair go-getter. Okay, I started my natural hair journey when I gave birth to my daughter, and ever since then I have seen a lot of results using natural ingredients on my hair. So if you're just like me that wants to know more about natural, please stick to the channel. So as you guys can see, you can see some coils on the hair. Okay, like when you use flaxseed on your hair, it gives you instant coils. Okay, so look at the mouth of my hair. The mouth of my hair is all coiled out. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to do this throughout the video. I hope you watch it to the end. So besties, I am done applying this all over my hair. This is what my hair looks like. My hair is all hydrated. I really, really love this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. This is just me shaking my head, making sure that it's all dry. Look at, can you see how hydrated that hair is? Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.